If you're using an ONN TV running Android 12, 13, or 14, you may have noticed that the Install Unknown App setting is surprisingly hard to find. It can almost feel like the option has disappeared completely, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it, step by step, so you can allow apps from unknown sources without getting confused. I'll keep everything simple and show you exactly what to press on your remote. So even if you've never changed these settings before, you'll be able to follow along. And one important thing, when installing third-party apps, always download them from trusted and legitimate sources to avoid unsafe or fake apps. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you the hidden setting and how to enable it properly. And if you're new here, like, share, and subscribe to ONN TV Hacks for more tips, tricks, troubleshooting guides, and simple tutorials that make streaming easier on your ONN streaming device. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, we're now on the ON TV home screen. I'm currently using the ON 4K streaming box, which is running Android tvOS version 14. The process should be almost the same on other ONN streaming devices, so just follow these steps with me. First, move over to the settings icon in the top right corner and open it. Once settings opens, scroll down and select System. From here, select About. Now scroll down a little and you'll see Android tvOS version. As you can see, mine is currently running Android 14. Next, scroll all the way down until you find Android tvOS build. Now pay close attention because before we can enable unknown sources, we first need to turn on developer options. To do that, highlight Android tvOS build and press the OK button on your remote 7 times. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And as you can see, developer options have now been enabled. Now go back to the previous menu and select Apps. Scroll all the way down, and you may notice the security option here. On older versions, this section was usually called Security and Restrictions, and it was much easier to find the option for installing apps from unknown sources. But on newer ONN TV software, you may not see the unknown sources setting here at all. That's why it can feel like the option has completely disappeared. So now, go back to the ON TV home screen. From the home screen, move over to the Apps section. Scroll down through your apps. As you can see, the Downloader app is already appearing in my app suggestions. If you don't see Downloader here, don't worry. Simply select the search bar and type Downloader. You only need to type the first few letters and the app should start appearing in the search results. Select it. Once the search results load, you may see several downloading apps, but we need this orange Downloader app by AFTV News. Make sure you select the correct one. The Downloader app by AFTV News is free to install and use. On the next page, select Install. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the Downloader app has finished installing, simply select Open to launch it. Give the app a few seconds to load completely. Now move over to the URL or code box, select it, and enter this downloader code, 8533602. Then press OK on your remote. This will take you directly to the ON TV Hacks downloader page. Wait for the page to load completely and then scroll down. For this tutorial, I'm going to install one of the apps from the page just to show you exactly how the process works. Select the app and press Download. Most apps from our downloader page will begin downloading automatically. Now, because this is the first time we're trying to install an app through Downloader, ON TV will show us an important message. You should see a pop-up saying that Downloader is not currently allowed to install unknown apps. This is exactly the message we were waiting for. Select Settings, and there we go. We've finally reached the hidden Install Unknown Apps menu. This screen shows you all the apps that could potentially be given permission to install apps from outside the Google Play Store. Look for Downloader in this list, highlight Downloader, and press the OK button in the middle of your remote. You'll see the switch move to the right and turn on. That means Downloader now has permission to install apps from unknown sources. Select Install and wait for the app to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, select Done. Downloader may now ask if you want to delete the APK installation file. Select Delete and then select Delete again to confirm. This removes the installation file and helps free up some storage space on your ON streaming device. Now press the Home button on your remote. Go to your App section, and you should find the newly installed app in your app list, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Install Unknown Apps on your ON streaming device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ON TV Hacks for more OnTV tips, tricks, fixes, and tutorials. You can also visit the OnTV Hacks website for more step-by-step guides that make streaming easier on your ON streaming device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.